So it says this is in French. Where is the English? This is in Spanish. Where is the English? Oh, okay. Okay, what is up, y'all? It's your girl Wavy A here, and as you see the description, I'm gonna be down my waves. Like, yes, your girl is back. Your girl is back with a little something. Let me give you a whole 360 right here. Okay, don't mind this line right here. I just took my do-rag off. Okay, like, don't do it. So let me just give you a little. I know her back is looking rough, but she's back in business. Is y'all drowning? Let me give y'all a life jacket, okay? But let me stop playing. Y'all, I decided to dye my hair again. It's that time again of this year. It's like the end of the year. I want to do something different, and we're gonna see if Miss Dark and Lovely here is gonna give us what it's supposed to give, you know? Is it even, okay, yeah, y'all can see it. We're gonna see if it's gonna give us supposed to give. It's in the shade Honey Blonde. You know that, goodness, is it gonna focus? Yeah, that 378 right there. And we're gonna see if this box is gonna actually work, because it's been a while since I dyed my hair. So we're gonna do what it do. And I'm gonna read the directions, because yeah, we gonna read the directions on here. But I'm gonna show y'all the products that I got on here too, because why not? Let me just give y'all a little tour. Right here is Carol's Daughter, the Coco Creme. I'm gonna be using this moisture butter. I already got my shower caps, because you know we need that. Got that deep condition, you know, treatment. Is color safe, sulfate free. By Shea moisture. Got the conditioner, shampoo. I got all my oils here. You know, vitamin E oil, coconut oil, Jamaican castor oil, tea tree oil, olive oil, and argan oil. So that's basically all that I need to dye my hair. But before we even, you know, get started, y'all, what is y'all doing? Y'all, like, y'all don't want to subscribe to me? Like, there's something wrong? Like, I'm just playing. But make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, you know, down below, you know, before I jump y'all. I don't know, I ain't scared. I'm feeling froggy today. But let's get started with this video, okay? Let's get started with the hair dye, because I know we pressed for time and y'all be impatient. So, get a box. And it comes with, goodness gracious, it came with the cream developer, the moisture rich conditioner, the direction, and the hair lightener. Okay, so let me see how this thing works. Plastic gloves, and I'm just gonna read the directions. We just gonna read the directions together, because I'm already confused as it is, you know. Give us the, you know, lunch school lady gloves right here, you know. Gotta keep the hands protected. Alright. The other hand. Alright, okay, they gave me some big enough gloves, because I got small hands, but we good, we Gucci, okay. So it says, this is in French. Where is the English? This is in Spanish. Where is the English? Oh, okay. I don't think I'm gonna need a towel, because it's been a while. I'm a professional, right? I'm a professional. Like, we just gonna take this little top off right here. We just gonna Hold on. Oh, okay, see. There we go. We just put that. And we just gonna start it off. Let's get it started. Now my job. This right here, it stank. Like, what the freak? This stuff stank. Oh my goodness. This stuff stank. Make sure y'all have some type of ventilation, because I'm like it smells like caca. If y'all know what caca smells like, bruh, smells like caca mixed with like piss. Oh shit. Oh snap, I ain't mean to cuss. I done got this stuff on me. God dog it. And I'm the one saying I'm a professional. And I am not a hairdresser. None of that, cosmetologist, whatever. Ooh, this shit low-key burning my scalp. I think I ain't supposed to be. Ooh, I shouldn't have brushed my head. Ooh, oh Lord. This shit, I'm sorry for cussing. This mess burning. It feels like I'm putting a perm on my head. Oh my Lord. Oh my goodness. I don't think it's supposed to burn like this. I hope if my hair falls out, don't laugh at me, because like this ain't no joke. I'm trying to work as fast as I can to get every part of my head. Ooh, I'm not trying to be dramatic, but like, for the girls who have perms, they know what I'm feeling right now. The devil's a lie with this. And we're gonna put one of these caps on here and wait, how long it said? 30 minutes, so. It's been 30 minutes. First one. Oh snap. Oh snap. Okay. I'll wash it off with this conditioner, so hopefully it doesn't look too bad. This is cute. I don't know if y'all could tell, but like, that's how it's looking. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to do the Shea Moisture Deep Treatment Mask, and that I will put that on my hair for about 30 minutes again, and then I'm going to brush it out, and I'm going to put some of my like oils here as well, and then we're going to see the final process. I'm using the Carol's Daughter Coco Creme, like the Coil moisture butter. Smells like mangoes and shea butter, so it's like scented with coconut oil. So I'm gonna put that on my hair, and I'm gonna brush it in, and then I'm going to, this is the kind that you don't rinse out, so I'm gonna put a do-rag on after this.
Active by night, keep going crazy.
Okay, you guys, so I'm back, you know. I took a little nap. And here's the, you know, the results for it. You know, you see? Ooh, she is cute. I love the color. It basically matches my skin tone. And y'all, look at this. My waves are immaculate. Oh my gosh, you see me. You see me, don't ya? Dark and Lovely has to run me my money because like they're taking all my coins because this honey blonde is really cute. I would suggest y'all to get this and don't pay no mind of this line. That's for my do-rag. But that was the end of the results, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Like, come on now, be part of the wave. Like, I know y'all want to join me. Obviously you can see that y'all might drown, so why don't y'all join and just basically join or I'ma jump y'all, okay? Yes, I said it, because if y'all ain't with this, I think y'all just ugly. But anyways,